Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about nitrogen compound, that is ammonia. So preparation of ammonia and the physical chemical properties of ammonia. So today topic we have discussed about nitrogen oxides. Overall, so nitrogen oxides, nitrogen form number of oxides like a N2O. So N2O means nitrous oxide. Next NO. NO means nitric oxide. Next N2O3. So N2O3 means nitrogen trioxide. And next NO2. So NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. Next N2O4, N2O5. So N2O4 means nitrogen tetraoxide. N2O5 means nitrogen pentaoxide. Okay, so number one, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, N2O3 nitrogen trioxide, NO2 nitrogen dioxide, N2O4 nitrogen tetraoxide, next N2O5 nitrogen pentaoxide. Okay, first we have discussed about N2O. So N2O, what is the oxidation number of nitrogen in N2O? So suppose N2O, so -2, oxidation number -2. So overall how many nitrogen atoms? 2. So 2x minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. So -2 into 1. Okay. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to +1 oxidation number. Okay, in N2O nitrogen contain how much? +1 oxidation number. Okay, so how it is prepared? Suppose for example, when we have taken NH4NO3. So NH4NO3 means ammonium nitrate. When heated off ammonium nitrate to form N2O and next water molecules. Okay, when heated off ammonium nitrate to form N2O, nitrous oxide, next water molecules. So this N2O is nitrous oxide is also called laughing gas. Okay, it is a laughing gas. Next further, so overall it is a gaseous compound, and next colorless. So it is a neutral nature. Neutral nature means does not contain acidic as well as basic nature. Okay, does not contain acidic basic nature. Okay, so overall nitrogen double bond oxygen. So N2O. Okay, so overall. So between nitrogen and nitrogen bond length 113 picometers, and between nitrogen and oxygen 119 picometers. Okay, so between nitrogen and nitrogen 113 picometers, between nitrogen and oxygen 119 picometers. Okay, so it is nitrous oxide. Okay, so how it is prepared? When heated of ammonium nitrate to form N2O, nitrous oxide. So it is gas, colorless, neutral nature. So between it is nitrogen attached with another nitrogen and oxygen. So between nitrogen and nitrogen bond with 113 picometers. Next between nitrogen and oxygen, so 119 picometers, just like a linear shape. Okay, it is nitrous oxide. Next further nitric oxide. So NO nitric oxide. So overall NO minus 2. So x minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 2 oxidation state. X minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. So how many oxygen atoms? Only 1. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So nitrogen oxidation number plus 2. How it is prepared? Suppose for example, when we have taken NaNO2, so sodium nitrite. This sodium nitrite is reacts with the H2SO4 sulfuric acid. To form in this reaction NaHSO4. So sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate, and next NO nitric oxide, next HNO3 nitric acid, and next water molecules. Okay, 4 compounds. Number 1 sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate, and second one NO nitric oxide, next third one HNO3 nitric acid. Okay, next H2O water molecules. Next further preparation, when we have taken NH3 ammonia, so this ammonia reacts with the oxygen in the presence of platinum or rhodium catalyst at a 500 degree centigrade temperature. So to form in this reaction NO nitric oxide and next further water molecules. Okay, when ammonia reacts with oxygen at a 500 degree centigrade temperature in the presence of platinum or rhodium catalyst to form nitric oxide and next further water molecules. Okay, so overall it is also gas. It is also gas and colorless, and it is also just like a neutral nature. So it is very important. So write any two oxides, any two neutral oxides. So N2O is a neutral oxide, NO is also neutral oxide. Neutral oxide means does not contain acidic nature as well as basic nature. Okay, so what is structure? N double bond O oxygen. So overall oxygen contain one single electron. So between nitrogen and oxygen is contain 115 picometers bond length. Okay, 115 picometers bond length. Okay, so nitric oxide oxidation number plus 2. So it is prepared by sodium nitrate reacts with H2SO4 to form NO, and ammonia reacts with the oxygen to form NO. So it is a gas and colorless, and it is a neutral nature. Next it is a nitrogen attached with oxygen with double bond. So how much bond length? 115 picometers. Okay, it's contain one single electron. Next N2O3. So N2O3 means nitrogen trioxide. So what is the oxidation number? N2O3 oxygen minus 2. So N2 2x minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 3 oxidation state. Okay, so 2x minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3 oxidation number. Okay, so how it is prepared? When we have taken NO. So NO means nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is reacts with NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Okay, to form this reaction N2O3, so nitrogen trioxide. Okay, so overall it is a blue color compound, and next solid state and acidic nature. Okay, so how it is prepared? When nitric oxide is reacts with nitrogen dioxide to form N2O3. So nitrogen trioxide. So it is the solid state and a colorless compound, acidic nature. Okay, so what is the structure? Overall N2O3. So nitrogen bond nitrogen. Overall, one oxygen attached with a double bond and another oxygen with a single bond. So this nitrogen attached with a double bond. Overall, it is a planar structure. Okay, planar structure. Overall, between nitrogen and nitrogen, 186 picometers. Between nitrogen and oxygen, 114 picometers. Okay, between nitrogen and nitrogen, 186 picometers, and between nitrogen and oxygen, 114 picometers. So it is a planar shape. Okay, planar shape or planar structure. Okay, so N2O3 nitrogen trioxide. So nitrogen contain plus 3 oxidation state. When nitric oxide is reacts with the nitrogen dioxide to form N2O3 nitrogen trioxide. So it is a blue color solid compound, so acidic nature. At the same time, nitrogen, each nitrogen, so nitrogen double bond, so nitrogen bond nitrogen. This nitrogen attached with the one oxygen with a double bond, one oxygen with single bond. So another nitrogen attached with the oxygen with a double bond. So between nitrogen and nitrogen, 186 picometers. Between nitrogen and oxygen, 114 picometers. So it is N2O3. Next further NO2. So NO2. So NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. Overall nitrogen NO2 minus 2. So X minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 4 oxidation state. Okay, NO2 minus 2 into 2. So X minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4 oxidation state. So how it is prepared? When heated of lead nitrate. Okay, so PbNO3 taken twice. PbNO3 taken twice. When heated of lead nitrate to form PbO lead oxide. Next further NO2 nitrogen dioxide. Next further oxygen. Okay. When heated of lead nitrate to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and next oxygen. So overall it is a brown color. It is a brown color, gaseous state. Next acidic nature. Okay, so which color? Brown color. Solid, sorry, gaseous state. Next acidic nature. So overall, what is the structure? Nitrogen, double bond O. So overall, it contain one single electron. Nitrogen contain one single electron. So overall, oxygen, this oxygen contain 3 lone pairs, this oxygen contain 2 lone pairs. Okay, nitrogen contain one single electron. So nitrogen, between nitrogen and oxygen, 120 picometers bond length, and so bond angle 134 degree. So what is shape? Angular shape. Okay, angular shape or angular structure. Okay, so nitrogen dioxide overall it's contain nitrogen contain plus 4 oxygen state. How it is prepared? When heated up lead nitrate to form lead oxide, and next nitrogen dioxide, next oxygen. So overall it is a brown color gas and acidic nature. So angular shape, nitrogen attached with one oxygen with a double bond, another oxygen with a single bond. So between nitrogen and oxygen 120 picometers, and bond angle 134 degree. Okay, so it is NO2. Next N2O4. So nitrogen tetraoxide. Overall NO2 compound is always contained just like dimer stage. Dimer stage means so N2O4 stage. Just like, because just like it's contain always odd numbers, odd number of electrons. Okay, so due to this reason NO2 is always contain dimer state. Dimer means di means 2. So N2O4. Okay, so now N2O4 nitrogen tetraoxide. So how much oxidation number? N2O4 minus 2. So 2x minus 2 into 4 is equal 0. So x is equal to plus 4 oxidation state. Okay, so N2O4 minus 2 into 4 is equal to 2x minus 2 into 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4. So how it is prepared? When we have taken NO2 nitrogen dioxide. So when heated up nitrogen dioxide to form N2O4. So nitrogen tetraoxide. Okay, so overall it is a solid state, and next colorless compound, and just like it is acidic nature. Okay, which nature? Acidic nature, and colorless, just like it is a solid state. Okay, so we write the structure: nitrogen bond nitrogen. Okay, so each nitrogen attached with two oxygens, one single bond and one double bond. Okay, so double bond O, bond O, double bond O, bond O. Between nitrogen and nitrogen is contained 175 picometers, and between nitrogen and oxygen is contained 121 picometers. So it is also just like a planar shape. Okay, so this oxygen contain 2 lone pairs, this oxygen contain 3 lone pairs, this oxygen contain 3 lone pairs, this oxygen contain 2 lone pairs. Okay, so nitrogen tetraoxide. So in nitrogen tetraoxide, nitrogen contain plus 4 oxidation state. When heated up nitrogen dioxide to form N2O4 nitrogen tetraoxide. So it is solid, colorless and acidic nature. So planar structure, nitrogen bond nitrogen. So each nitrogen attached with the 2 oxygen atoms with one double bond and another one single bond. Between nitrogen and nitrogen 175 picometers, and between nitrogen and oxygen bond length 121 picometers. So it is a planar shape. Okay, last one N2, so last one N2O5. So N2O5, so N2O5 minus 2. So 2x minus 2 into 5 is equal 0. So x is equal plus 5 oxidation state. Okay, 2x minus 2 into 5 is equal 0. X is equal plus 5 oxidation state. So how it is prepared? Suppose for example we have taken H3. We have taken HNO3. Sorry, HNO3, nitric acid. So this nitric acid is reacts with phosphorus decaoxide. To form in this reaction, it's like a HPO3. HPO3 means metaphosphoric acid. HPO3 means metaphosphoric acid. Next further, so N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. Okay, so when HNO3, nitric acid, this nitric acid is reacts with the P4O10, phosphorus decaoxide, to form HPO3, metaphosphoric acid. Next N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. Okay, so overall it is a solid compound. Next colorless and acidic nature. Okay, which state? Solid state, colorless. Next acidic nature. Okay, so what is the structure? It is also planar structure. So between nitrogen and nitrogen is contained attached with oxygen. So each nitrogen attached with the remaining two oxygen atoms, one single bond and one double bond. So between nitrogen and oxygen 119 picometers bond length, and between nitrogen and oxygen, so 115 picometers. Okay, so it is planar shape. N2O5, nitrogen pentaoxide, so plus 5 oxidation state. When nitric acid reacts with phosphorus decaoxide, so to form HPO3 means metaphosphoric acid. Next N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide. So it is solid, colorless and acidic nature. So overall between nitrogen and nitrogen attached with one oxygen atom, and each nitrogen attached with two oxygen atoms side position. So with one single bond and one double bond. So nitrogen bond oxygen, so it is a 119 picometers bond length. It is a 115 picometers bond. So it is nitrogen oxide. Next further class we are discuss about nitrogen compound, that is HNO3, nitric acid, preparation of nitric acid, and next further class chemical properties of nitric acid, that is very important. Okay.